Hello different tech buzz, we've the latest in Fitbit here, and this is a new Fitbit Sense with stress management technology, health watch and ECG app. You've got a 6-month premium free trial, and that's pretty much it. Silver stainless steel case and sage grey infinity band. On wrist stress tracking with EDA sensor, health notifications, ECG app, sleep tracking, sleep score, pace and distance with built-in GPS, Google Assistant and Alexa built in. So we're just going to unbox this today and a review in a few weeks. You need to test the watch after a few weeks, not a week. You need at least 5 or 6 to get all the information and not rush out anything at all. So that's what's going to be here. And of course you can see here on the side you've got Fitbit Sense 6-day plus battery life, which includes large and small sizes. So let's open up and have a look and see what it looks like. It's our first actual Fitbit, believe it or not, on take us. So we're looking forward to testing it out. So you can see some branding there on the front. And a very nice presentation indeed. Looks really well. So you've got your power, the watch itself and the strap. So that all looks really nice indeed. And that fell off, just to get a nice look at the whole package there together. So let's take out the bits and pieces on their own and see. So in here you've got your quick start guide, download the app, charge for 100%, sync with the app, and uses and learn more. And that's what we have in there. So let's have a look at this. Okay. So this is our charger, and as expected, it's proprietary. So that'll pop on the back. And that's what that looks like there. Just going to pop that aside. Let's have a look at the strap, and you've more writing underneath the strap. Pretty cool presentation, and nothing behind the watch. So welcome to the Fitbit family. So you have got that there. Let's have a look at the strap we got, and you also get your booklet in here as well. So that's that there, and that's the colour strap that we have to match the one that's on it. So let's take out the watch itself. Here is the watch here itself. Oops, so I'm going to slip this out. So you've got a nice flexible strap here, clasp, which would be quite different to the norm out there. You kind of get these buckles and so on, but you can see how this one works. It's pretty nice. And I'll take off that there. Nice build quality to this as well. You can see on the back you've got Fitbit on it there. All the little sensors and all that clearly visible, which is nice. And you can see you've got loads of little bits and pieces going on there, and your strap release here. So this strap here will be effectively the same as you buy a brand new watch, just a little bit longer, just for anyone that might need it. That's pretty much it there. Looks really premium indeed, and in a square shape rather than a circle, kind of akin to an Apple Watch but wider. So that's what that looks like there. Pretty nice indeed. So we're going to take it off and check it out and come back after a while to see the full review on untitled.com, and we'll tell you what we think and what we found and how well it actually works, and then we'll talk to you then. See you soon. Any questions, for him below.